topic 12.3, that is zeroth law of thermodynamics. So what is the zeroth law of thermodynamics? So बेसिक एकदम इजी लैंग्वेज में अगर हम कहें कि सपोज वी हैव टू सिस्टम, यू कैन से ए एंड बी. सो ए इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम विथ सी, ए इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम विथ सी, बी इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम विथ सी, देन you can also say A is in equilibrium with B. That is its basic statement. When two systems are in thermal equilibrium with a third system separately, then they are also said in thermal equilibrium with each other. Okay, that is when these two systems are in equilibrium with third system separately, then these two systems are also said in equilibrium with each other, right? So this particular point is known as the zeroth law of thermodynamics, right? चलो टेक्निकली प्रूव करेंगे हम zeroth law of thermodynamics. तो फॉर दैट कि सपोज हम यहाँ पर एक सिस्टम कंसिडर करते हैं. सो इट इज़ लाइक दिस. Okay, you can say here we have this three system. You can say it is a B and C. Okay, or this all are separated. They are separated by wall. Okay, now which nature of the wall, that we'll see. So before it, ये पूरा एक कॉपी कर लेते हैं एक बार. Just see here. Suppose here we can say that A and B, ये दोनों के बीच में है adiabatic wall. It is what? So you can say it is adiabatic wall, or you can say it is non conducting wall. Okay, and between AC and BC, that is a conducting wall, or you can say it is a dithermic wall. क्या है ये? You can say it is conducting wall. Okay, now see here what happen कि ये conducting wall है. So equilibrium take place between A and C and B and C, but A and B के बीच में equilibrium नहीं होगा, right? So after a sufficient time, suppose हम situation को change कर देते हैं, मतलब A B and C के बीच में जो conducting wall है, that is replaced by adiabatic, that is replaced by adiabatic wall. Okay, and here between A and B is replaced by conducting wall. Okay, now see what happen here कि A से मतलब ये A डायग्राम से हम B डायग्राम की तरफ आएंगे तो ऑलरेडी ये सिस्टम पूरे इक्विलिब्रियम में आ चुकी होगी, राइट? मतलब एक्सचेंज ऑफ हीट होगा नहीं. ओके, दैट मीन्स तीनों के टेम्परेचर क्या रहेंगे? सेम रहेंगे. ओके, दैट मीन्स हियर you can say that when A is in equilibrium with C, B is in equilibrium with C, then you can say A is also equilibrium with B. Okay, so this statement is known as zeroth law of thermodynamics. So here you will write the statement. Okay, so what is the statement? So when two systems are in equilibrium with third system separately, then these two systems are also said in equilibrium with each other. So this statement is known as zeroth law of thermodynamics.